First we use the formula of a plus b whole cube formula. So we can write 2 cube plus 3 x square 2 and plus 3 x and 2 square. Second, we use the formula of a minus b whole cube formula. So we can write minus 2 cube minus 3 x square into 2 plus 3 x and this is 2 square. Now x cube and plus 2 cube is 8 and 2 into 3 6 square and 2 square is 4 into 3 12x. Minus and plus is minus x cube and minus is plus 2 cube is 8 and minus is plus 3 into 2 6, this is x square and plus and minus is minus 2 square is 4 into 3 12, this is x 12. Now cut this and this and this, so rest of this is 6 square and 6 square, so 6 square is plus 6 square is 12 of x square and 8 plus 8 is 16, so value is this cube. Second way, we use the formula of a cube minus b cube formula. There is a, there is b, so you can write x plus 2 minus x minus 2 cube plus 3 x plus 2 into x minus 2, second x plus 2 minus x minus 2, and write of this. Now you can write x plus 2 minus x minus and minus plus 2 of cube and there 3. There we use the formula of a square minus b square formula. So we can write there is x square and 2 square, x plus 2 minus x minus and minus plus 2. So there minus and minus cut, minus and plus cut, x and x cut. So 2 and 2 is 4 and cube 4 cube and plus 3, can write the x square and 2 square is 4 and there similarly cut and cut this and there is 4, so into 4 cube is 64 plus is 3 into 4 12, this is x square, 3 into 4 12 into 4 is 48 minus 48, so answer is 12x and 64 minus 48 is 16. So this is the answer. First we use the formula of a plus b whole square formula. So you can write this is x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. Similarly we can write a minus b whole square formula. So we can write this is a square minus 2 into x into 2 and plus 2 square. So now we can write x square 2 into 2 is 4 into x and 2 square is 4. Secondly, we can write minus and plus minus square, minus and minus is plus 2 into 2 4 into x and plus and minus is minus 2 square is 4 4. So now this cut and this and this, so rest of this 4x and 4x, so 4x is 8x. This is answer. There we use the formula of a square minus b square formula. So you can write first x plus 2 plus x minus 2, and again we can write x plus 2 minus x minus 2. So you can write x plus 2 plus x minus 2, and there is x plus 2, there is minus x and minus plus 2. So there minus 2 plus 2 cut, and there is x and x is 2x, and there is x cut, there is 2 in 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer is 2x into 4 is 8x.